Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to an awesome video. My tires got delivered, suspension is done. Oh yeah, we are heading back over to a tunnel. So, suspension is ready, but Smokey, why did you do the suspension? The suspension is good on a Superduro 1290R, isn't it? It is, but not what I have planned. You down for a race? You down for a race? Huh? Look at that. That's a European Mustang. That's a 2-liter, 250 horsepower Mustang. Shame, Europe. Shame. 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 Yep. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to it's not you're already here, it's just another video cut. Well, it got a little bit late yesterday evening with my buddy Ivan getting the wheels and suspension back, but it's another day, it's another morning. We are back at my humble garage and let's get busy. First thing we're gonna do, these orange grips, no bueno, they look like crap. I got them for free and they're coming off for free again. I got the real grips I needed in this box. And these are the grips that Jeffrey Herlings, 4-time world champion motocross, is using also. And I also got some beautiful parts laying around over here that have to go back onto the bike. You don't have to be a Sherlock Holmes to see that I'm turning the Ktm Superduke 1290 R into a RO from Offroad. I'm turning it into an off-road bike. Anyway, this is a new tire, this is a new rear tire. As you can tell by my hand, it's a pretty big tire. It's 180 wide, so it's gonna have some grip in the dirt. Let's mount it. And if you guys are wondering why I'm wearing so much Husqvarna stuff, well, I like blue, white and yellow a lot more than I like orange. Maybe I have to turn this one in a blue, white and yellow bike. The more I work on this bike, the more scarier it gets. I'm starting to pee my pants. Oh man, that's a 5 horsepower sticker. Dang it. That's as far as I'm gonna get today. As you can see, we got some crazy tires on it, removed some stickers, new grips on there because those orange ones didn't look that good. Hope you guys like what you see. Next video probably gonna be the sticker set. Still have to get a new exhaust. Might be something cool, might be something brand new, might be something special. That's also a surprise, that's coming up. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video. Press that subscribe button. Wait until you see this beast going off-road. It's gonna be awesome. See you guys. Peace.